What's going on, people? So today we're going to be checking out the Lumary LED Rope Light. Now this comes in a length of 9.8, so basically 10 foot. Very flexible, as you can see. Comes in the roll. This is actually one of my favorite types of LEDs because normally when you use an LED strip, you don't want to actually show the actual strip. You need some type of diffusion, but these strips have built-in diffusion that looks really good. You can't see the individual LEDs, which is why this is my favorite. Now these are very, if you can look, see how thick they are. Very thick, very durable. In the box, it comes with, of course, the LED rope, your controller box that you're going to use to plug it up. And then it comes with these clips. You can either screw them in, or it comes with the 3M adhesive pads that you can use to create some really cool designs with these. I haven't quite yet figured out what kind of design I'm going to do with these, so stay tuned to the channel. I think I'm going to use it somewhere down here in the basement, but I've got to find something real creative to do with these to give a nice little accent to some area of the basement. Just to give you an idea, looking at the box, they show you an example of something you could probably make with this this kit. Again, it's only 10 foot, so you gotta, be creative. There's no way to connect two different ones together, although you can sync two different units inside the app, which we're going to go into the app, which really unlocks everything that this can do. Now it does come with this remote. Now the remote is kind of basic compared to the app. So on the remote you can cut it off, power button, turn it back on. You have your modes where you can switch the modes to some really cool effects. All this also, of course, can be done in the app, but if you don't want to pull out your phone, you just want to grab this remote real quick, you can do that. So you can cycle through a bunch of different effects, and then you can also dim it if I want to bring down the brightness of this or bring the brightness back up. And then we can just do our individual controls for our red, our RGB, pretty much a green, blue. We could do our warm white and our cool white. So, and then there's the auto button, which will looks like select something for you. So really cool, really versatile. Let's get into the app to really show how this really can be unlocked with a lot of different customization. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up the Lumary app. All right, so now we're actually in the app, just to give you an idea of what's capable in the app. So as you can see, we have a bunch of different themes and scenes that you can go through. I'll just start to show you a couple of them just to give you an example of what they look like. So as we go to the Iceland blue, you see as soon as we connect, it's very instant, connects instantly, updates instantly, and you can do this straight from your phone. So we got the Glacier Express, we got the Sea of Clouds, a lot of different color combinations, and I'm pretty sure if you dealt with any of these type of lights, either if it's Lumary or Govee, the apps are very similar on the ways you can customize your lighting. There's also a section where you can do a DIY. So if you want to, do your own thing, customize it to what you want, you can do that, of course. And then you can have it where it will sync to music. And then, of course, you can do your all single color, one color for the whole rope if you would like. And you can go here and adjust your brightness as well on this. So a very versatile light. I'm gonna brainstorm something to do down here in the man cave with this light. If you have any ideas or something cool I can do with this light down here, drop it in the comment section. But this is the Lumary 10 foot pretty much LED rope light. If you're curious about this and you want to grab one, I'll have the link for it down in the description. And if you have any questions about it that I didn't answer in this video, drop them down in the comment section. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.